Good morning, my dear students. This is question number 8 of exercise 13.2. I have already done it on this board. Let me explain you. So let R be the radius of the cylindrical portion of this vessel. This vessel is in the form of a sphere and it has a cylindrical neck. So let R be the radius and H be the height. So R, here diameter is 2 centimeter, that means radius will be 2 divided by 2, 1 centimeter, and here height is 8 centimeter. That means height of the cylindrical portion is 8 centimeter. And it is given that the diameter of spherical portion is 8.5 centimeter. So let R1 be the radius of the spherical portion. That means R1 is equal to 8.5 divided by 2. It is 4.25 centimeter. Now volume of this vessel, it will be volume of sphere plus volume of cylinder. Volume of sphere plus volume of cylinder. Volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube r1 cube plus 4 pi r square h volume of cylinder. Take pi a common. So what remains here? 4 by 3 r1 cube plus r square h. 3 point pi is 3.14. 4 by 3 r1 is 4.25. 4.25 whole cube plus r is 1 into h is 8. It is 3.14. 4.3 4 by 3 4.25 whole cube is 76.765625 plus 8. So when we calculate this 76765625 divided by 3, it becomes equal to 102.354 plus 8. So it is 3.15 into 110.354. When we multiply it, we get 346.51 cubic centimeters. This is the correct answer. And the answer which the child has calculated was 345 cubic centimeters. Therefore, that answer is wrong. Which the child has calculated, that answer is wrong, 345. Now, correct answer is 346.51. With this, we come to an end to this exercise 13.2. In the next